Hi everyone, welcome to Wise World Channel. Basket. You can carry things in a basket. It is usually woven and has handles. Bat. A bat is a nocturnal animal. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. Bathtub. A bathtub is a large open container that you fill with water and use to wash the body. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Bear. A bear is a huge animal with a long shaggy coat and strong claws. Bears eat fish, fruits and honey. Bed. A piece of furniture that provides a place to sleep. Bee. A bee is a flying insect that lives in a hive. Bees fertilize seeds when they fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar. Some bees make honey. Bell. A hollow metal object that makes a ringing sound when struck. Bird. A bird is an egg-laying animal that has feathers, wings, and a beak. Most birds can fly. Box. A box is a container with straight sides and a flat base. It can be wooden or plastic and may have a lid. Butter. Butter is a food made by churning milk or cream. It is yellow and soft and is usually had with bread. Thanks for watching my videos.